Since the outbreak of COVID-19 sweeping the world, the Chinese government and its people have upheld the concept of a community with shared future for mankind and made concerted efforts to curb the spread of the pandemic. To win the global fight of the epidemic prevention and control, Medico Technology Co Limited fulfilled its social responsibility and remained committed to contributing China's efforts to the global community. Medico Technology Co Limited, which is based in Shenzhen Baolong Biopharmaceutical Innovation and Development Palace, taking developing into a world-class supplier of in vitro diagnostic consumables as our corporate vision. We endeavor to realize the strategic mission of developing an independent and controllable high-end biotechnology and remain committed to building a one-stop intelligent manufacturer and service platform for biological consumables in the field of life sciences. We have invested more than 20 million to build a production base of 20,000 square meters, with Class 10,000 and Class 100,000 standard clean workshops covering an area of over 1,500 square meters. As well as exquisite production technology and strict quality management system, which ensure the precision and stability of products, as well as meet the individualized and diversified needs of customers. The company is home to a professional R&D team of more than 30 people and a team of top engineers in the manufacturing field. We also have a comprehensive grasp of multiple underlying technologies, such as mold design and manufacturing, precision metal processing, and precision injection molding. Apart from those, we have developed a broad spectrum of automatic production equipment with a number of automatic packaging lines and filling production workshops. Medico developed the product line with sampling consumables as the main product and the skin disinfection products as a supplement. We have developed disposal stereo specimen collection swabs, disposal virus sampling tubes, disposal saliva collection kits, DNA collection kits, urine and fecal sample collection kits, disinfection swabs, CHG applicators, and other products suitable for human use. Our products are widely used in medical and health institutions, disease prevention and control centers, laboratories, third-party testing centers, entry-exit inspection and quarantine, forensic inspection, and so on. According to the relevant demands of current epidemic prevention and control, Medico follows the major national policies, cooperates with the government by providing a high volume of high-quality products for large-scale nucleic acid testing and antigen detection. Medico's products are exported to more than 80 countries and regions, such as America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. At present, we have obtained Class 2 Medical Device Registration Certificate and certificated by the EU CE, US FDA, Australia TGA, Saudi SFDA, Canada MDEL, ISO 13485, and so on. On top of those, we have established long-term, stable, and win-win strategic cooperative relations with a host of well-known enterprises, such as BGI, Alltest, YHLO, Bioperfectus, and Central Biotech, and SD of South Korea.
世上没有平坦的大路和草，只有在崎岖的小路上不断攀登，才能达到光辉的山巅。企业发展如同人力生存，会直面无尽的艰辛，接受风雨的洗礼。作为民营企业，优势与劣势并举，面对风声云起的市场，不进则退，只有奋斗，才能创造更多的机会，开拓更大的舞台。
Our aim is to strive for the cause of human health, and we will stay true to our mission, forge ahead, and fight for it.